The real reason your editing portfolio isn't signing high-paying clients. Most video editors, they build portfolios to impress other clients or just other video editors. And that's wrong. That's the biggest mistake. I have signed multiple 3K clients by flipping this approach. So in this video, I will show you 3 simple portfolio switches that will help you grow really fast. Let's dive in. Shift number 1 is that you need to stop showcasing edits and instead showcase outcomes. Here's where most video editors get it wrong. They treat their portfolio like a gallery. Smooth transitions, nice pacing, and nice color grading. It's all cool, but high-paying clients aren't hiring you because your editing is cool. They hire you for outcomes. They want sales, they want leads, they want engagement. So don't just show what you've made, show what it has achieved. This is how you can do it really easy. With every project you do, add a one-liner that answers this exact question. What was the goal and how did this edit accomplish it? Even if you don't have perfect data yet, you can still use your strategic changes that you did to make this goal real. So instead of a cinematic promo ad for a fitness brand, try something like structured to boost retention and launch hype. Opened up with an engagement hook and then a great call to action. That's a great way to attract more high-paying clients. And now your portfolio isn't just saying I make cool edits, it's actually saying I understand how to make content perform well. And that's what clients really care about. For example, say you edit a YouTube video for a performance coach. Most editors would title it something like YouTube vlog for productivity coach. But instead, you reframe it as re-edited for retention, trim the intro, make the hook clearer and the call to action even stronger. A short sentence like that instantly tells clients that you know what you're doing. And that's the difference between landing a $200 client and a $2,000 client. Shift number 2, build your portfolio like a client journey and not a gallery. This shift correlates a bit with the first shift, and it's all about that clients don't just want a gallery, they actually look for how it is working with you, what you can actually do for them, and that's exactly what I'm going to tell you right now. Because clients aren't looking for cool edits, they're trying to understand how it is to work with you. They want clarity, flow, and trust. So the actual shift is that you need to walk your potential clients through a journey. And this journey should look something like this. What you do, how you approach it, and the results they can expect. So it's not about throwing your best transitions on one page, it's about telling a compelling story. You do this by first starting with positioning. Add a heading at the top of your portfolio that states exactly who you work with, like the one on screen right now. Step 2, show your process. Instead of just listing a lot of projects that you have done, list maybe 4 that you're really proud of and explain your workflow, from onboarding to deliver. Step 3, use before and after or case studies. Maybe show a bit of how the raw footage looked before and what your final product achieved. If you don't have real case studies yet, just include a quick explanation that could look something like this. This editing helped a new coach go from around 300 views per video to 5,000 views per video from just 2 videos. It's that simple. And step number 3, make it easy to the next step. Add a call to action at the bottom, something like let's make your next winning video, and then just a big clear button. Because a big gallery of cool edits just look like everyone else. But a portfolio built like a journey is something unique, something special that makes clients remember you. Shift number 3, the most important one, master your offer. Make your portfolio a client closing machine. High-paying clients want a reason to hire you. If a client is going to pay 3K per video, then they want a real reason to hire you. So you need to make that clear why you're the best choice. So this is the shift. Your portfolio needs to show more than just work. It has to sell your service. This means adding clear call to actions after every section and a FAQ that answers every question they could have. Because this builds trust before they even reach out to you. So again, a step-by-step guide on how you do this. Step number 1, add call to actions after every section in your portfolio. After showing examples from, let's say, a YouTube video edited, add a call to action. Something like, want to boost your YouTube videos and make them look like this? Press the button here. something simple. This guides the clients to the next step and shows them exactly what to do next. And if you have a call to action after every section, you just remind them over and over again. And if they see the call to action several times, then they might click on it. Step number 2, create a clear FAQ at the bottom of your portfolio. Think about the questions that you almost every time get asked. Turnaround time, pricing, what type of videos you edit, all that stuff that you probably have been asked hundreds of times. Add it in your portfolio FAQ, because this makes clients feel more confident and less hesitant to contacting you. Step number 3, use clear and simple language. Speak in terms that your potential clients can understand and not some editing language. What I mean with this is that you should not say how many transitions or how many animations you'll add. Just say something like, I deliver projects in 1 to 5 business days depending on the complexity. That's super clear and something that anyone could understand. Last step, showcase your offer in context. Don't just say, here's my work. Explain how your package solves a client's problem. Like, this ad is edited to increase sales by having a clear call to action and an engaging hook that keeps clients watching longer. Here's a personal example. One editor that I know revamped their portfolio to have clear call to actions and a clear FAQ. Instead of just showcasing cool videos, they pointed them towards a clear next step and had a FAQ that explained all the questions that the client could ask. Within weeks, they went from needing to search for low budget clients to having several 2K clients reaching out to them. It went so fast for them that they needed to say no to clients. It's that simple. Small shifts like these could really explode your editing career. So by turning your portfolio into a client-focused sales machine with call to actions and FAQs, you're shifting from just an editor to a trusted partner. And that's what high-paying clients want. They don't want a beginner editor or just a normal editor. They want a partner that actually helps them with their business. And that's all for today. If you want any extra help or you maybe thought that any step was unclear, then you can DM me on Instagram. The name is in the description or on screen right now. I respond to everyone. Or if you want me personally to build you the best portfolio out there, then you can watch the video on screen right now. I will show you it in a step-by-step process. And remember, don't just watch, take action.